I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my e.l.f. must-haves. So if you want to see the products that I've been loving from e.l.f., just keep on watching. I really need to do another full face of e.l.f. cosmetics because girl, my love for their products has grown drastically this year and last year. I just really love their products, and a lot of their makeup has become one of my staple products in my collection, as you guys know. So I'm gonna have my last e.l.f. full face link down below if you want to watch that. But girl, we're gonna get into the products that you need in your collection. The first one here is the lip oil. So this is the Glow Reviver lip oil in the shade Pink Quartz. I believe they used to have lip oils and they repackaged them if I'm not mistaken, but these came out not too long ago and I had to pick up this pink one. It's just beautiful, again in Pink Quartz. Love the giant doe foot applicator, and the actual shade is beautiful. But girl, these are so nice and glossy, but also really comfortable on the lips. These feel so good if your lips are chapped, or you feel like they're drying out, it's hot outside, you want to throw something cute and glossy on your lips. Girl, this is stunning. Also, the shade itself is beautiful. These are really inexpensive. A lot of e.l.f. products obviously years ago were really cheap and have gone up in price. However, compared to high-end products at Sephora, this is really inexpensive, girl. So love this product. I definitely recommend check it out, and e.l.f. is always having sales and such, so love. I actually do have quite a few primers. We have the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams, but you can pick any of the putty primers, girl, and you cannot go wrong. They even have an acne fighting one. They came out with so many different ones, it's hard to keep track, but this is just the Cookies and Dreams one, which was part of their I always call it Oreo, but it was some other collection, I don't know. But this is just a cream putty primer, maybe a little expired, but I really enjoy this product. This one's definitely creamier than their original putty primer, but all of them have different formulas. My favorite is just the original putty primer. However, mine was really old, so I had to declutter it, but I will have to repurchase as soon as possible. The Cookies and Dreams is really nice. It smells amazing. It smells like a sweet treat, but it is creamier, on the creamier side than I'd like. But still, any of the e.l.f. putty primers, you can't go wrong. You can also find them at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So yes, this is actually a newer product to the website, the e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer. So because their putty primers are so amazing, they made it into a liquid form. So this is just the same thing. It's it's like the original putty primer. It's meant to blur the skin. Yeah. So this is get the same lasting makeup grip and smooth finish with the poreless putty primer. Yeah, so it's basically putty primer in a liquid form. So if you've been into that, if you're looking for something like that, if you don't like to dip your fingers in the putty primer and you'd rather something liquid, definitely check this one out. Also amazing. I feel like it gives me a blurring effect on the skin. Let me know your thoughts if you have this product, but really much enjoy this one as well. So if you're on the market for primers, e.l.f. has got you, girl, because they also have this one. Another amazing product. They have a dupe for this on Temu, which I have repurchased a bunch of times as well. Also just as good. Not as grippy as this one, but still. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, the original one. They also came out with a niacinamide one, which is pink. Also have purchased that. So I've gone through this product quite a few times. I also always see their little mini size, which is adorable, girl. So if you want something that's gripping, that's gonna keep your makeup in place, and for me, what I've noticed with this product, it just kind of adheres everything to my skin where it's not gonna budge. So if you are looking for something like that, almost like a glue kind of product that is sticky, I think you're really gonna enjoy this product here. If you're into the Milk Makeup Grip Primer, similar vibes. So yeah, it's like they have a primer for everyone, girl. So if you're looking for something like that, there it is. Also putty vibes, there's the other one, and then the cream one. So the three primers I recommend. This is no surprise, we have the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I finally repurchased my favorite shade, which is in medium beige. I don't know why they make the writing so teeny tiny, girl. Who can see that? But medium beige, I did accidentally pick up a lighter shade, so I hadn't been using it, but I love this product. If you like a matte, well, not super matte, but it's a nice natural finish to the under eye. This is more on the thicker side as well, so if you're into that, definitely check this out. And also does come with a giant doe foot applicator. The shade medium beige is actually such a good one for me, so love. You cannot pry this out of my hands. I use this all the time alongside the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, which I'm not gonna ramp on about, but I've talked about it many times on my channel. Definitely recommend, girl. This is a good product, super inexpensive. It's gonna make your makeup look flawless throughout the day, girl. I'm telling you, I get compliments on my makeup every single time I wear this product. I love it. And the shade medium 330W, love. And these two together, yes. We also have my cream products. These are a little messy, girl. These are the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands, which are an alleged dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury wands, but again, very messy vibes. We have the shade Berry Radiant, which is our blush. Comes with a little sponge applicator. These are in my shop, my everyday makeup drawer for a while. And here's a medium tan. This is the bronzer shade. Girl, these blend out beautifully. You guys have seen these many times on my channel, so yeah, definitely recommend, especially if you love pink. The highlight definitely leans more pink vibes. These three together are amazing, and they're like cute and travel friendly. I love throwing these in my bag when I go to Vegas or whatever. This one here is in rose quartz, so there's a swatch of all three. I've heard mixed reviews about these products. Some people love, some people hate. I'm definitely on the love train, so if you're looking for a cute cream product, definitely look no further. These are adorable. I think also the packaging gets me, but the actual product is, it's just beautiful and easy to blend. Love. Next we have their liquid liner, which you guys know I've purchased countless times. I could have even thrown in the Big Mood mascara. That one's also another goodie. But this is the H2O proof eyeliner pen. Again, purchased it a zillion times. Love this product. It's like nice and black, long lasting. Love. Now this is one that I cannot travel with, because every time that I do go out and take it out into the heat or whatever it may be, it does become super liquidy and the product tends to like seep out of the little felt tip. So that's just one thing that I definitely would keep it in a cool climate like my room, because just whenever I take it to the outdoors, it's just like a hot mess. So yeah, other than that, girl, this is amazing. It is black, it is matte. Love it. So definitely if you're into liquid liner, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. Also really inexpensive, so check that out. We have the e.l.f. highlight. I've had this for years and I still love it. It's still amazing. This is their pressed highlight in white gold. I actually did buy this a long time ago at Marshall's and I still have it till this day. This shade is beautiful. Oh my goodness. If you haven't tried e.l.f. highlights, you're missing out, girl. It's just so stunning. Again, really inexpensive. I believe I paid like $2.99 or something for this, and they probably still have it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So good, so reflective. It's just a beautiful formula. When you touch it, it is like, it feels like almost baked, but it's just stunning. Love this. Everything else, it's just beautiful. Love it. Oh my gosh. And lastly, we have some of their little baby palettes. These are their bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. Girl, I need to get into these palettes again and start using them for videos. But these, if you're looking for an eyeshadow palette from e.l.f., I definitely recommend these baby palettes versus their big palettes that come with repetitive shades that you don't really need in your collection, girl. If you don't have space, check out these little baby ones. Again, bite-sized palettes, really easy. They come with 4 shades. This specific one is in hot jalapeño. So cute. It does come with 2 shimmers and 2 matte tones in here. Again, hot jalapeno is so cute. We also have this one. This one's another beauty. This one's in acai you, really stunning. This one comes 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, which is perfect to create any type of look. Then we have this one, which is perfect for the fall months. How stunning is that? In pumpkin pie. So beautiful. So again, check these out, girl. You're missing out. The product itself is beautiful. Also love that they're cute and bite-sized, really cute mini palettes, and they come with the perfect amount of shades you need to create a look. It's just really nice. So, and they also come with a zillion color stories, so definitely grab one, girl. So that was the last product for today's video. Definitely let me know what is your favorite e.l.f. product down below. I know they just came out with a foundation. Have you tried it? Let me know. I haven't gotten my hands on it. I need to get on the e.l.f. site ASAP to see what else they've added recently. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.